Good day, everyone. In this recording, I will demonstrate how to identify network ports and services on a Windows server. I will also explain what they are used for, and then I will show how to configure a firewall rule and a scheduled task. So first of all, I'll open my PowerShell. So I'll type it out. Yeah. So I'll open my PowerShell and I'll run netstat like this. Netstat. Then no. This will display all the active connections and listening ports. So let it load all, then I'll explain to you what this means. Bring it up. Okay, this is better. Okay, so I need to go up. I wish it could just go fast. Okay, so 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 as you can see, this is the listening. Okay, so as for 88, for port 88, you can see here, this is used for like Kerberos authentication service. Kerberos is like critical in Active Directory because it handles secure logins for users. You can also see 3389, yes 3389, which is used by remote desktop protocol. This allows administrations to remotely connect to and manage the server. As you can see, these ports are essential for communication between clients and the server. So now the next thing I will do, I'll come out from here. I'll open the service console. This will help me to um, explain what I wanted to say. So the service control, write it like this. Dot dot msc. So okay, this is it. It's just display here already. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, so in the service console, so this is, where's DNS? Okay, this DNS client, okay, okay, and this DNS client. So this helps to resolve host names to IP addresses. Without DNS, users cannot have IP address instead of names. Like um, they will have to like remember their IP addresses instead of names. So another key services also is remote desktop services, which is remote desktop services. Where is it? Okay, so these remote desktop services. So what this does is that it works with port 3389 to allow remote access to the server. Together, ports and services ensures that applications and users can communicate properly. So as you can see, it allows users to connect interactively to a remote computer. This is what it actually does. So I'll be out of there for now, and I'll go to um how would I call it, the firewall rule. So what I will do in the firewall rule is I'll open my Windows Defender firewall. So I'll go to Server Manager. Yeah, it should open. So I'll go to my tools and I'll search for Windows Server, Windows Defender, sorry, firewall with advanced security. So I will click that. Okay, after clicking that, I will now go to inbound rules. So after clicking that, I'll go to inbound rules. So what I want to do is that I will create a firewall rule in Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Like um, you can see here inbound rules. I created an inbound rule for TCP port 5000 inbound. You can see here. Then for the outbound also I did the same. So TCP 5000 outbound. So this means that traffic coming into and going out of the server on port 5000 is allowed. I named them clearly as you can see, TCP 5000 outbound and TCP 5000 inbound. Yeah, and also with these two, let me click and show you something. I can also disable and enable it just like it is here. So let me disable it to see. Okay, it says disabled, so I'll enable it now, and it is enabled now. So that is it for it. And the second one I would do is to schedule a task. To schedule a task is not hard. um I will still go to the tools and come down here, look at where it says start scheduler, and after that, um okay, after that, okay, task scheduler. So let me enlarge, expand it. So in the task scheduler, I I set the trigger to run every day, and the action to start PowerShell with the command user client start scan. This ensures that the server automatically checks for updates, keeping it secure and up to date. So what I did was, as you can see here, say create basic tasks. I came here, create basic tasks, because I already created. So I'll just show you how I did that. So I just wrote this daily tasks update. Then I click next. I don't need to explain daily. So 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 the one I created the last time, I actually created it without minding the time. So the time I said, that was what the thing just automatically gave to me, because I did not actually set the time. It was just like the automatic time I was using at that point. So that was when my own one was running. It started running from that time. So after that, you say start program. So yeah, what I did that was that I wrote PowerShell.exe. Then the add argument optional, I just wrote user client start scan. Then after that, finish. So that was how I created my task scheduler, and this is my task scheduler, as you can see. Okay, this is my task daily. So it runs um at 4:15 p.m. every day. So this is it. Okay, so um what I actually want to let us know is how I was able to create all this um using my remote desktop link. So I really appreciate if you see this as an example to learn also.